So what inspired me to start Pearson 20 years ago was the fact that we really needed a more personal and caring approach to safety consulting. The biggest challenge in the early days was that safety was just not as well known or a part of doing business like it is now.
I think like everybody else, Donna's personality and knowledge first drew me to Pearson. But over time, you know, at Pearson we like to say that we provide resources to our employees so they can take care of our clients. You don't put a banner on injuries that you've somehow prevented, but when you train 10,000 people a year, any one of those could go back to any one of their job sites or workplaces and prevent an injury or a fatality. As Pearson's evolved, we really moved into the technology space more. We like to say that we're not a tech company that got into safety, we're a safety company that got into technology.
I hope the legacy that Pearson leaves in this industry is that people matter. You know, that it's very important to, no matter what you do, it's not about the money, it's about the service.